Are you tired of staring at a blank page, desperately searching for the perfect words? Well, my fellow writers, fear not. In this extraordinary video, we're diving deep into the enchanting realm of conquering writer's block. Get ready to unleash your creative spirit and discover a treasure trove of strategies that will transform your writing journey forever. From battling the infamous blinking cursor to summoning your muse, we're here to equip you with the most potent weapons in the war against creative stagnation. So grab your favorite writing utensils and prepare to embark on an adventure that will reignite your imagination. Ever found yourself staring at a blank page, feeling completely paralyzed by writer's block? It's a frustrating predicament that even the most talented wordsmiths face. But fear not, we're here to rescue you from this creative abyss. The first step in overcoming writer's block is to understand its root causes. One common cause of writer's block is self-doubt, the nagging voice in your head that says your words aren't good enough. Kick that negative Nancy out of your creative space. Embrace self-acceptance and remember that every writer has their own unique voice. Another culprit behind writer's block is perfectionism. The relentless pursuit of flawlessness can paralyze your progress. Remember, writing is a process, and the first draft doesn't have to be perfect. Give yourself permission to make mistakes and let your ideas flow freely. When you're feeling stuck, changing your environment can work wonders. Break free from the monotony of your writing routine and seek inspiration in new surroundings. Take a walk in nature, visit a bustling cafe, or find a cozy spot in a library. A change of scenery can stimulate your senses and spark fresh ideas. Engaging in regular brainstorming sessions can be an excellent strategy for overcoming writer's block. Grab a pen and paper, set a timer, and let your thoughts flow without judgment. Allow your mind to wander freely and explore new avenues. You'll be amazed at the unexpected treasures you unearth. Writing prompts are powerful tools that can help you jumpstart your creativity. Seek out intriguing prompts online or create your own by picking random words or phrases. Challenge yourself to write a short story or a poem inspired by these prompts. The key is to keep your imagination engaged and the words will come pouring out. To overcome writer's block, it's crucial to establish a writing routine. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to sit down and write. Consistency is key in training your brain to get into the writing mode. Treat it like a sacred appointment with your creativity and honor it. Sometimes all you need is a little nudge to get those creative juices flowing. Experiment with different warm-up exercises to get your mind primed for writing. Try free writing for a few minutes or jotting down stream of consciousness thoughts. These warm-up exercises can loosen the grip of writer's block and pave the way for inspiration. The power of collaboration should never be underestimated. Consider joining a writing group or finding a writing buddy who shares your passion. Engaging in conversations about writing, sharing ideas, and receiving feedback can breathe new life into your creativity. Together, you can conquer the most formidable writer's block. Another effective strategy for overcoming writer's block is to cultivate a habit of reading. Immerse yourself in diverse genres and styles. Let the words of other writers inspire and invigorate your own writing. Reading widens your perspective, enriches your vocabulary, and helps you break free from creative stagnation. When writer's block strikes, it's essential to take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. A healthy mind and body provide a fertile ground for creativity to flourish. Silence that inner critic. When you're writing, give yourself permission to let go of judgment and self-censorship. The first draft is just that, a draft. Edit and refine later. Embrace the freedom to write without constraints and watch your creativity soar. A powerful technique for overcoming writer's block is to visualize success. Close your eyes and envision yourself in the midst of a productive writing session. Feel the words effortlessly flowing from your fingertips. Visualizing success can help eliminate mental barriers and create a positive mindset for writing. Remember, writer's block is a temporary hurdle, not an insurmountable mountain. Don't let it define you or hinder your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way and acknowledge that even the most prolific writers face challenges. Persevere, and you'll emerge stronger and more resilient in your craft. Now that you're armed with these incredible strategies, it's time to banish writer's block from your life forever. Unleash your creativity and embark on a writing journey that knows no bounds. Remember, the world is waiting for your unique stories, ideas, and perspectives. So pick up that pen or start typing and let your words captivate the world. We hope you found these strategies for overcoming writer's block enlightening and empowering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your fellow writers. Let's conquer writer's block together and create a community of inspired and prolific writers. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching and happy writing!